Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 4, PyWeb. 315 new stars today. PyWeb gives developers a local browser UI for the Py coding agent, turning terminal-based session management into a visual workspace with chat, file preview, and configuration panels. It reads your existing PySession files directly, so you can browse past conversations, fork sessions, and switch Git work trees without leaving the browser. Built with Next.js and SSE for real-time updates, it replaces the friction of CLI-only workflows, with a clean, project-aware interface that makes it easy to resume work and experiment safely. Number 3, ego-lite. 247 new stars today. Ego-lite is a browser that lets you and your AI agents share the same session without fighting over tabs, so agents can use your real logins, cookies, and extensions while you keep browsing uninterrupted. Unlike automation frameworks that require a separate browser instance and lose session context, ego-lite isolates agent tasks into dedicated spaces while preserving your identity, eliminating the setup and maintenance overhead of managing separate browser environments. Built as a native macOS app with an NPM installable skill, it integrates directly into agent workflows. Your agents can run browser tasks via a simple CLI command, and the open source codebase is easy to inspect and extend. Number 2, Pumpkin. 565 new stars today. Pumpkin replaces the resource-heavy official Java server with a multi-threaded Rust implementation that dramatically lowers CPU and memory usage, letting you host more players on cheaper hardware. It tackles the real-world pain of Minecraft server lag by parallelizing chunk loading, world generation, and entity processing, tasks that remain largely single-threaded in vanilla and modded Java servers. The codebase is a from-scratch implementation of the Minecraft protocol, supporting both Java and Bedrock editions, offering a rare look at how to build a high-performance game server with Rust's async ecosystem and a custom plugin API. Number 1, Buzz. 162 new stars today. Buzz is a self-hosted workspace that treats AI agents as first-class team members, solving the fragmentation and audit gaps that come from bolting agents onto existing tools. Every message, code review, workflow step, and repo event is a signed Noster event in a single log, giving you a unified, verifiable audit trail across humans and agents. Because it's built in Rust and runs on your own relay, you get full data sovereignty and the ability to let agents open repos, send patches, and orchestrate work without handing over root access.